How to share videos from beyond to YouTube. First of all, open the app and select the project you want to share. Once your project is open and ready for export, tap the export button at the top right corner of the screen. Choose the video resolution and settings you prefer, then tap export to save the video to your device. After the export is complete, Beyond provides direct sharing options. Tap the YouTube icon from the sharing menu. You will be prompted to log into your YouTube account if you haven't already. Next, fill in the video details including title, description, privacy settings, and any tags you want to add. Make sure your title and description are clear and engaging to reach more viewers. Finally, tap Upload to share your video directly from Beyond to YouTube. Depending on your video size and internet speed, the upload may take a few moments. Once completed, your video will be live on your channel and ready for your audience to watch. Now you know how to share videos from Beyond to YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.